Don't forget to like and subscribe.
It's countryman again. Just I lick you with some wisdom, and I lick you with some knowledge. You gotta take inside your brain. It says, son, I've learned a lot out of reading people faces. No matter how them are going, like them original, them fake. You gotta know when to walk and know when to run and know when to fall and know when to stand.
What's up, my viewers and subscriber? Listen, something go down, star. You understand? Today, we are going to dive into the story. And I think that story is shaking Jamaica to its core. But before we do that, make sure you smash the like and subscribe button. Now, in Jamaica, you understand, we know say Negril is known for the beautiful beach and laid back lifestyle. But you see, yesterday, the paradise scene turned into chaos and confusion there.
We keep you informed. I'm Michelle Jones, and in the news, 5 killed by police during failed robbery attempt in Negril. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, leave us a comment, and click the notification bell to receive our daily news items. 5 suspected robbers were reportedly killed in an alleged gunfight in proximity to Burger King in Negril, Westmoreland this morning. 6 guns were seized. According to reports, the robbers were believed to have traveled to the location in several vehicles, were seemingly about to attack a cash-in-transit vehicle when they were accosted by a police team. The men reportedly challenged the police, and during the ensuing gunfight, 5 of them were shot. It's understood that the operation was carried out by the Counter-Terrorism and Organized Crime Investigation Branch. No officer was injured. The operation continues as local investigators and the Marine Police search for additional evidence.
Now, that news clip was brought to you by Michelle Jones from the JBNN News Network. That's one of the news that I listen to, and I listen to Michelle Jones. Michelle Jones, I love your voice. Now, with that said, let's talk about this. Okay? So, we have 5 men, 1 incident, and a police response that has got everybody talking. But here is where it gets wild and crazy in my eyes. Some eyewitness thought they were watching some kind of extreme sport. Listen to this.
Right over this one, over some more. Are you there over this one? Right over some here. Don't push me out. That's what I've been push you out, but you there again. Can't jump a little off. You not go too near it now. See a little nice one from this one. Right, that's all. Sorry, baby. As long as you don't push me so. Yes! You're alive, you sing it up. Just drop, bro. Dash them in there, what do you mean? I don't look like a Negril man. The man look like a Negril man. Why you man all kick on? What people are you wearing their food? The man is a Negril man. When I get shot in the chest. Yeah, I see some shot in the chest. I'm going to get shot. No blood now come. You get shot in the chest. No water, man, no water. Dash them in there. The one the heavy man, the one the heavy man. Yeah, man, the one the weighty man. Yeah, man. In that Stephen, what you? I don't want to say no. I don't want to pass. You want to put me hand? You don't want to wine. You don't want to wine. I want to ban Jordans. I want to ban Reebok. Road door, so they have to just come down. So bang say thing come down. They want the heavy man. You must have to guard Jim, man. What's the money for man? I 5 days, but I save for them. So, in next 2 years, you turn up for money. They go with 2. Imagine man gonna come and do it. Oh, foreigner around with them boy now. I hope they're not hospital and they carry them now. Come on.
Hold him now.
Hold up your face where we see it. Turn on your face where we see it. Turn on your face. We see Woodlum. Gross. Young boy, let me know.
But check this out. This is no game, folks. This is real life with real life consequences. Yo, let's break this down about what we know so far. 5 men were involved in an alleged, me nah cut it out, attempted robbery. The police get some intelligence and then the police intervene. And then the result was 4 to 5. It was said 4 fatally and 1 injured, but now we hear 5. But guess what? The story doesn't end right there.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Because now Indicom is on the case. You understand? And them really want to know where go down. Was this a justified use of force or something more sinister, yo? And how did some people make the mistake to make this become entertainment? How did this actually not some people? How did our country, society make the mistake that and make things like them, you know, become entertainment? Now, you see, in certain situations, certain high stress situation, people can misinterpret what they are seeing, and then the cheering can be shock and confusion. So, me not go too hold them accountable, but you know, that is a part of the reality where we're living at. When people say high stress situation, people can misinterpret it and what they must say and cheer and like it and say good just because of shock or confusion. But when I say this incident, it raises serious question about the police static, public safety, and how we respond to violence in our community. But we want to hear from you guys out there. We want to hear from the people them. So drop your thoughts on the comment below. Remember folks, real life is not a spectator sport. Let me repeat that again. Remember people, real life is not a spectator sport. In the meantime, I want you to stay safe and I'll keep you all updated on this story. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and click on another video. I'm out, countryman.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.